Hi, welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fund your USD debit card on BananaCrystal. Let's get started. To fund your USD debit card, sign in into your dashboard, scroll down and click on Cards. After clicking on Cards from the previous page, you'll be directed to the next step that indicates you click on My Cards in order for you to continue with how you can fund your USD debit card. To fund your USD debit card, click on the Load Card tab to continue. Input the amount of USD that you want to load on your debit card, and note that the minimum amount you can load on this card is $50. And kindly note that card load requests are being processed within the hour of 24 to 48 hours on weekdays, while it can also be extended to 72 hours on weekends and also on public holidays. Once you have inputted the amount you want to load on your debit card, click on Preview to continue. Once you click on Preview from the previous page, you'll be moved to the next step. These steps will show you the fee and the total amount associated with the card load transaction, and it's going to be displayed for you to review. Once you review this transaction, click on the Submit button to authorize the transaction. Once you click on Submit to authorize the transaction, you will immediately receive a notification on your phone that indicates that the card load request has been done successfully. Immediately the funds you deposited has reflected on your card, the status of the transaction will be updated from pending to completed. This means you have successfully funded your USD debit card. Thank you for choosing Banana Crystal.